Most food safety experts struggle to understand the people side of food safety culture. As much as they understand food safety science, organizational leadership and behavior change seems abstract and elusive until now. To create a culture that keeps customers safe and healthy, you need to improve the people side of food safety. This course introduces you to the science of organizational culture, motivation, and behavior, and how improving these aspects will reduce your risk of recalls, improve productivity, and help you stand out as a leader for food safety. Learn how to measure your culture, evaluate its current effectiveness, and then design a food safety culture plan that you can implement immediately. You will get useful tools and resources that will help you remove silos that restrict your ability to implement change. This workshop will be offered as a virtual and in-person workshop that will reveal the secrets to creating a food safety culture that positively improves behavior change. Sign up today and start building a food safety culture that lasts.